Hello again, Liz. We're back here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another third quarter design team layout. So today we are playing with, do I have a cover sheet? It is Idyllic Woods. I don't, but I do have one right here. So it's this luscious collection. This collection was released. Let me take a little look here, just 1 second. It was released in June of this year, so this is a new release. They have new release every month, so don't miss out on what is coming up in July. They are luscious papers. They've got all kinds of goodies over here, die cut out, and then I have a few add-ins that I would like to try to pull in. We're going to go ahead and trim these down. We've got my husband, his daughter, and brother making pizzas. It was a rather sad day, but we made the best of it. What I want to do is make a little heart and kind of do a ring of hearts. So we'll see how that pans out. I have got this sheet right here, this sheet. I know, luscious, but I'm going to make the hearts out of. I've got this sheet right here and this sheet that I'm actually going to do like a border. Do we like it that way, or do we like it? I almost like the brown on top, so I think we're going to do that. Still going to have this portion because we can use this for something else. This portion and the back that we can make the hearts out of. I need 8, so I think we'll do 2, 2, 2, and then I will gut this luscious green paper and get 2 out of that as well. So I have to make myself a heart template. I know, because it's like the one dies that I don't have. So I'm going to make myself a template. We're going to trim those down. I'm going to, I like this and that. And we even have like 2 of these, which are really cool. See if we can get the tree in there. But we do have these 2 that I would kind of like to see if I can frame the photos in some way there. I fussy cut those out, but that's later. All right, so give me just a minute to kind of get all this done, and we will be right back. All right, so this is what we've kind of ended up with. So like the little hearts are just kind of like flapping in the wind there. This is from my stash, but I'm just I want to add these in because it's bringing in the colors over there, because we have all these beautiful florals that we're going to just start kind of tucking in. So it looks like they're popping out, right? And I was trying to see, I think we want to put the title up there. Honestly, as far as I got was that little heart circle. So, need to up my game a little bit on the thought process. And I do just cut things in half to stretch the use. So we're just going to tuck this guy in over here. I don't know, do we want to use that? We'll see. I do like the little compass. I don't know how well this is going to stick, but we're going to go for it. I'm just going to apply a ton of adhesive. We're just going to put that right in the middle, kind of hold that down. We have some really cute mushrooms. I don't think I want to bring the blue flowers in. So we'll save those for another layout. I'm just kind of digging the feel we've got going on here. tuck that guy farther under. Let's go with that. I love mixing these fabulous collections with stuff that I have in my stash that I may not have thought to use before, right? Or I didn't know how I was going to use it. I do come in later, just in case anybody is wondering, and use liquid glue just to make sure that it is sticking, because with the shiny fabulousness of this paper, sometimes the ATG just doesn't stick well. So I do just go in before the layout is completely finished, and I just add in some liquid glue behind everything just to make sure that it sticks. So just a little reinforcer. Okay, so we're kind of building this fun cluster that way. What if we build this one out to go underneath this photo? Okay, so now we just gotta join the two. Right here. Right? Yeah, we can make that work. You know, if you've watched my channel for any period of time, I am definitely I'm a top downer. So I stick stuff down and then I change my mind and I move stuff around. But I'm also actually thinking I don't like that, so hold on for un momento. So let's get that guy stuck there. And let's come right in here. Maybe throw that guy over there. So we will run that all off the page. See what else we have. We have a nice fun little water bottle. I'm actually digging all of that. Alright. So we are just going to come in with the liquid glue. We are just going to, like I said, we are going to add more than I normally would adhesive. And then all I do is I just come in and I'm like, alright, let's just give it a little press right down just so that everything, and you don't need a lot. See, like that, even though it was stuck, I'd picked it up so much that we just kind of come in right underneath, and then we'll even do one of those, just enough so that it starts to like really take hold. Okay. Do a little something there. And even if it's just tacked in one corner, you guys, it's gonna stick. So I'm just going in, making sure that everything is stuck down. I'm really liking that. Let's see if we can just trim off those little bits. Just so you know, that's how I found the center. I poked a hole because I had a different idea when I started, and then I just couldn't make my photos work. All right. And I think for this, what if we go with like a cream toned pearl and just kind of scatter them just around. So I do hope you enjoyed today's layout, taking a outdoorsy collection and using it for a pizza making party. It really wasn't a party. This was actually a very, very sad day. It was the day that we did a memorial service for their mom, and they both used to work at the local pizzeria, and that they actually closed it down for them for the afternoon and let us have a private party there. The perks of small town living. And then we, my son, he had went home before dinner, and my husband said he would bring him home a pizza, and he was like, I don't even know if the kitchen's open. So we asked the owner, and they were like, you want one, get back there and make it yourself. You used to make, so then when he did it, Doug wanted to go back there. And then they just made pizzas, and then me and Whit just kind of went and watched them and kind of made fun of them. So they turned a rather sad day into a nice family memory. It was just kind of a relief and a good memory of the day that they buried their mother. So now for a title. I need to find, I do have, it's 2 orange. But I am thinking that would work, and I know it's funny that I was going to put a really big title on there, but I think I'm just going to put Pizza Day. Right? So I'm just going to do a nice little fun title. Stickers are from the stash. I was like, seriously, I used the Z's on an orange. I don't always put titles on my layout. You guys know that, and I think I don't know. So now we've got pizza. Let's grab a D. And then another A. And then Pizza Day. Kind of like so. How fun is that? Alright, so that is gonna do it for today's layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to go check out Third Quarter Designs. Pick up some of these fabulous collections. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.